Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 3rd January 2022, and today's video topic is wrapper class. So, wrapper class, we'll see wrapper class definition and what is a wrapper class, the unboxing and auto boxing in wrapper class. So, firstly, we will see wrapper classes in Java. The wrapper classes in Java is provide to a mechanism to convert a primitive into object and object into primitive. So autoboxing and unboxing is features to convert primitive into object and object into primitive automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into object is known as autoboxing and unboxing. So what is the use of a wrapper class in Java? So Java is a object oriented programming language. So we need to object many times, like collection, serialization, synchronization. So let's see different scenarios where we need to use the wrapper classes. So firstly we will see change the method, change the value in method. The Java supports only by call by value, no, not support call by reference. So if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert a primitive value in an object, so it will change the original value. Change the original value. Second is serialization. Serialization is we need to convert the object into streams to perform the serialization. If we have primitive value, we can convert into object through the wrapper classes. Synchronization. The Java synchronization is works with object in multi-threading, and Java util packages provides the utility classes to deals with object. Collection framework. Collection framework is a Java collection framework works with object only. All classes of collection like array list, linked list, vector, hash set, link hash set, tree set, priority key DQ, array DQ deals with object only. So what is the primitive data types and wrapper classes? The primitive types are Boolean, and wrapper classes are also Boolean, but wrapper classes data types will uh, starts with uppercase, and primitive types is data type is starts with lower case. So primitive type, primitive type is a char, and wrapper class is character. Next primitive type is a byte. Wrapper class are also byte. Primitive type is a short. Wrapper class are short. Primitive type are integer int. Wrapper class are integer. Primitive type is long, and wrapper class is long. Primitive type is a float. Wrapper class is a float. Primitive type is a double. Wrapper class is also double. So next we will see autoboxing and unboxing in wrapper classes. So what is autoboxing? Autoboxing is automatic conversion of a primitive data type into corresponding wrapper classes, is known as autoboxing. So what are the examples of autoboxing? So firstly you will see example of autoboxing. Autoboxing is byte to byte, char to character, int to integer, long to long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, double to double, and short to short. So it is the example of auto boxing. Let's go to the unboxing. What is unboxing? Unboxing is a automatic conversion of a wrapper type into corresponding primitive data type. Is known as unboxing. It is a reverse process of auto boxing. Uh, so auto box unboxing is a example of byte to byte. The example of auto boxing is reverse to unboxing. Sorry, the unboxing is reverse to auto boxing. So the example of a wrapper class will take a main method and write a write data types like byte, short, integer, int, long, float, double, char, and we will see uh, output of these primitive data types in console. So uh, what is a custom wrapper class? Custom wrapper class in Java is a wrapper class to primitive data type. That's why it's known as wrapper class. We can also create class which wraps the primitive data types. So we can create a custom wrapper classes in Java. So these are all about wrapper classes. Thank you.